How to fix GCash? Your account is already registered to another phone error. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you two different methods with the help of which you would be able to easily fix this issue. So in the first method, you just have to long press on your GCash application and then you need to tap on app info. Now once you are in the app info of your GCash application, you just have to tap on clear data and then you need to tap on clear all data. What this will do is it will log yourself out from your GCash application. So you just have to log in again and then you just have to check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then instead of clearing the data, you can even uninstall and reinstall your GCash mobile application. If this problem still not fixed, then what you need to do is you need to contact to the GCash customer support team. In order to do it, you just have to launch your GCash mobile application and then you need to navigate to the help center. Then you need to select the option to chat with the representative or send an email. Afterwards, you just have to explain your issue and then you just have to request to unlink your account from your previous device. You can even provide necessary information, so be ready with your GCash registered mobile number, full name and other verification details. Then you need to follow the support representative's instructions in order to complete the unlinking process. So these were some of the methods that you can try in order to fix the issue. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.